Good morning. Today I just have to do a lot of random stuff. So
I used to open my door to pretty much anyone who was trying to look for a place to feel safe, but I'm
okay. Today I heard someone saying people's mistakes are something similar to snake's cast of skin, and what it means is that people might make fun of you for what you did in the past, but you're not there anymore. You've already moved on, and what they're saying isn't you, it's just something you left behind. And I really like that. I hope I can still keep moving forward in life, little by little. Thanks for watching my video.